We at testRigor believe that the order should be in most important functionality first. So whatever is the most business critical must be automated first, such that you're making sure that your main core business functions correctly. testRigor, of course, provides a super easy way for non-technical users, including product managers, to do it, but it also provides a way to autonomously generate tests for you. You can deploy our analytics library in your production. That analytics will gather how your users are using your application in your production, and then testRigor use that information to automatically build tests covering most frequently used end-to-end scenarios. Are most frequently used end-to-end scenarios the most important business function? Not necessarily, but they definitely do help, and it's always cool to get tests for free, isn't it?